Good morning everyone. This is Zaid Abbas and you are watching IT Assignment Professor channel. Today I am going to start new assignment, that is new perspective Excel 2019 module 3 end of module project 1. Okay. This is Beryl Burnett Consulting. Basically in this video we will learn about the formulas and function that use in the Excel sheet. Okay, so without wasting the time we will start from the beginning. In the first paragraph, 3 points, he is simply saying that just download the file from the same website and rename it by 2. So you can download this course from the same website. So let's start. Go to Excel sheet, go to file button, click on the save as, click on browse. Just replace this one with 2 and click on the save button. Okay, so first step is complete. Now move to the next project steps. Question number 1. Nelly Larson is a professional assistant with Beryl Burnett Consultant. Chinelli is responsible for collecting consult hours for some of the Beryl Burnett project and process the payments. She wants to automate some tasks to calculate summary information automatically in on the worksheet that consultant use to track their hours. Okay, so switch to the timesheet worksheet. In cell C5, insert the now function to record the current date. Okay, so go on the Excel sheet, go to cell C5, go to function. Here we will write that now and OW. Press enter, click on now, double click, and then OK. So this is our current date. Question number 2. Each worksheet covers a period of 20 work days. In cell C4, create a formula using the workday function to calculate the 19 days from the start date cell C3. Okay, we need to calculate the 19 days and the start date is mentioned in the cell number C3. Okay, so go to Excel sheet and then go to C4 cell. This is our C4. Go to function. Here we will write that formula of work days, work day. Press enter, click on workday function. Okay, so date start in cell C3. This is our cell C3 and days we need to calculate 19. Type 19 and click OK. Okay, done this question. Question number 3. Use autofill to complete the label in the table of hours. Use the value in the range A9 to A10 to extend the week numbers to the range A11 to A12. Okay, A9 to A10. Select this and extend A11 to A12. 12. Again, he's saying that use the value in the cell B8 to autofill the remaining workdays abbreviations in the range C8 to F8. Okay, C8 to F8. So this is B8. We need to extend up to F8 as per the instructions. F8. Okay, question number 3 is complete. Now move to the question number 4. Let me highlight this is little bit critical. Uh, Add formula to complete the table of hours used. In cell B17, create a nested formula with the if and sum function that check if the total number of hours work in a week 1 cells B9 to F9 is equal to 0. If it is, the cell should display the nothing, indicate with two quiet marks this, okay. Otherwise the cell should display the total number of hours work in week 1, okay. So first we will solve this problem first, and then we will copy the formula from the cell B17 to fill the range B18 to B20, okay. So as per the instructions, we need to use this if and sum function. Go to Excel sheet. We need to put the formula in B17. Go to B17. This is B17. This is our B17. Here we need to put the formula. We will is equal to if function, if, then we use bracket, small bracket, and then we use sum function, sum, okay, and then we use the range is mentioned B9 to F9. Copy this range, paste the range here, paste the range here, and then bracket close equal to 0. If it is 0, then he will put the two quotes, that quotes, okay. Otherwise quotes, okay. And further he saying otherwise the cell should display the number of hours work in a week 1, otherwise. So again we need to continue the formula of sum, sum, click on function, then we need to select the range B9 to F9, F9, then close the bracket two times and click OK or press enter. Done this, okay. Now further he is saying that copy the formula from cell B17 to fill the range B18 and B20. B20 here, copy and extend it, okay. So this question is complete. Now we will move to the next question. Question number 5. In cell H2, create a formula using the workday function to calculate the 5 days after the period of the period end date. Cell C4, okay. So in H2, this is H and this is H2, okay. We will put the function of work days is equal to work day, workday, and period and dates in cell C4, C4, okay. And number of days we need to calculate 5, bracket close, press enter, okay. If you have any confusion, you can contact with me. My WhatsApp and email is mentioned in the description of this video. So question number 5 is complete. Now we will move question number 6. Create lookup functions to complete the summary section in cell I6. Create a formula using the VLOOKUP function to display the number of hours work in the selected week. Okay, look up the week number in cell I5 in the range A7 to G20 and the return value in the second column. Okay, so first of all we will go to cell I6 and create a formula of VLOOKUP I6. This is I6 and we will create a formula of VLOOKUP. Go to function. Here we will write the VLOOKUP. Click on go. Click on VLOOKUP and OK. Then we go to instruction sheet. Lookup the week number is in cell I5. Lookup value is in cell I5. This is I5. Okay. And range is A17 to G20. Copy this range, paste the range here, and index number, he said index number is second. So here we will write down the 2. Click OK. Okay, and use the absolute reference for the cell I5 and the range A17 to G20. Okay, I will tell you later on what he said. Go to question number 7. Copy the formula from cell I6 to range I7 to I11. Okay, so we will copy the range. We need to insert the dollar function so that the cell number I5 and the range is 17 to G20 will remain constant. Okay, so click enter. Now we need to copy this to below. Okay, now further is saying then edit the formula in cell I7 to return the value third. The formula in I8 return the value fourth, and the formula in cell I9 return the value 5 column. The formula in the cell I10 return the value 6, and the formula in the cell I6 I11 to return the value in the seventh column. Okay, so why we insert the dollar sign? Because we need the I5 cell and the range A17 to G20 we need to remain constant up to below value. Okay, so in the next value, this is I7, we just need to replace this 2 with 3 because he said that in the column number in the cell number I7 instruction file I7 we need to return the value in the third column. Okay, so as per the instruction we have done. Now in I8 we need 4. I7 3, I8 put 4, and I9 5, I6 I6 6, I7 8. Let's check I8. And the last one is I11 7th. Sorry, 7th. This 7. Okay, done this question. If you have any confusion, you can contact with me, no problem. So question number 7 is complete. Now question number 8, add formula to complete the balance section. In cell K8, create a formula using the sum function that calculate the total of the range D7 to D20 and subtracts it from the value in in cell J8. Okay, so we need to go in cell K8. This is K function and cell number 8. Here we need to put the formula is equal to bracket J8 J8 minus copy this range. Here we will put the sum function, paste the range here, close the bracket two times because we have inside two open brackets, so we need to close the two brackets, press enter. So this is done. Okay, again question number 8 is complete. Question number 9, in cell K9 create a formula using the sum function that calculate the total number of range E17 to E20 and subtract it from the value in cell J9. Okay, so go to cell K9. This is K9. Here we need to put the formula is equal to bracket J9 minus sum of function and paste the range here, close the bracket two times, press enter. Okay, so we have done this question number 9. So same we need to done in the question number 10. So 5 questions are remaining left. If you, let me show you the final sheet will be look like this. So if you have any question, you can contact with me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email is mentioned in the description of this video, and we will meet in the next video. Stay blessed. Goodbye.